Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a Softwash roof cleaning job today. This home is covered with lichen, moss, and black algae. There's a lot of discoloration on this roof. Kind of hard to see in this sunlight, but there's a lot of stuff going on this roof. A lot of green, a lot of dark areas up there. This home is on a lake in Alexandria, Minnesota. If you have a roof anywhere that you would like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, and please stay tuned to the after video and after pictures. We will be doing before and after pictures at the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Hello everyone, thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video. As you can see, there's no more black algae living and growing on this roof, also called Gliocapsomagma. There is some lichen and some moss that have been killed that still remain on the roof. They are dead and they will be decomposed, turned back into dirt, and be rinsed off this roof. So I am very happy with how this roof turned out. I think it looks amazing compared to before, and once everything else falls off, it should look amazing again. If you have a roof anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like cleaned, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you.